Good morning YouTube, and welcome back to a nice day. It's that time of the week again. It's the end of the week, it's Friday, and we've got some blue skies. It's breezy, but it's looking like it's going to be an okay morning to do some stuff. So let me just put you down here and see how we get on with this morning. Alright, hello and welcome to another video. So this is number 7, part 7. Just having a lovely chat with the garden people that have just come around. Might be an old car, might look a bit old and pretty disgraceful looking with the paint and stuff like that, but always grabs attention. Like, always have people come around asking questions about it. Anyway, today, front pads and then quick road test and be done with it. Yeah. This might as well just be Chris's redo calipers series because it's just been nothing but brakes. So anyway, pads today, just get blasted through it. Let's get it done, and we can do something a bit more exciting. just going to try something whilst I quickly faff through the pads. I need to push them back a little bit just to make sure they get back on the disc clearly. Just here, where the back of that rocker cover is leaking a little bit of oil, you can just see where it's just dripped down a little bit. I'm going to spray a bit of this new degreaser that I've got on there and just do a little time lapse to see what it looks like whilst I do the pads. Let's have a see what it does, if anything. That's come out really well. I've only had it on there for a little while. I've just wiped it, just a little bit of rag. It's just fallen off. I know it's just oil over the last sort of, it's probably been on there 5-6 years. Yeah, it's just wiped off. Brilliant. Right, I've been faffing around with the pistons. Literally, I love working on Japanese cars. Got my weapon of choice out. Didn't even need any pressure on it whatsoever. I've literally just pushed those pistons back, and I know that the caliper will go straight back on. So I'm just going to get that done now. Get it all put back together. This side will be done. That caliper 100% done, or 99% done, because I'm absolutely over the moon to announce that I managed to scratch off the paint off the top corners doing that. So the next caliper I think I'll take a bit more care, but that's literally just going to be a little touch-up job. So I've got the brake cleaner back out again because there's probably a little bit of oil and stuff on there. I'm going to quickly brake cleaning that off, touch up the old outsides, just make it look a bit more neat, and wheel back on and never come back to it ever again. Let's get the clean done, get that wheel back on and go on to the other side. Just touched up those little areas. Hopefully nothing really comes into contact with it from now to make it chip or anything like that again. So it's looking pretty good. I've left a little bit over the top of copper grease on there really, but I'd rather have it on there to keep it protected and keep it lubed. The other side I did give a tidy up. The top arms and all that stuff I've actually cleaned back, so all the aluminium is showing, it's nice and shiny, and the lower arm there is all painted black. So I think I'll leave that to dry for a little bit, and then I'll do the same on this side just to tidy it up a little bit. But no point doing it now because any dust or fragments that come off from tidying is just going to stick to that new paint, so that might be a job for another day. But front driver side done. Get the other side done and we'll go for a little brake test. Starting little road trip. Gonna go and see if I can get. Let's turn that round down. Starting little road trip. Gonna go see if we can get a COVID home test from the local Waitrose. So that'll be exciting to see. It's not very far away. 10-minute drive or something silly like that. Go see what we can find. Couldn't have been easier. What a lovely bunch of people they were. You say hello, you go in, you sanitize your hands, you go around to a bay, they say, do you have any symptoms? And you say no, and then you get given 2 boxes. I think they said there's 7 in each, and then when you run out you just come over there and grab some more. I think it's called lateral flow or something like that. But yeah, awesome. Right, back home. Well, collected the old testing kit, and then whilst I was there, I was like 2 minutes away from like my favourite place that I ride. So when I'm not doing stuff with the Supra, my favourite thing to do is mountain biking, like off-road, like jumping really, more than anything, or like little tiny bit of the old downhill type stuff. So yeah, I just thought I popped in there and just did a quick, just a few clips of it. They've done a lot of building over there over the winter period. Obviously with the whole of the lockdown malarkey, not many people can ride, so yeah, they've done quite a lot of work. Just done a few clips of that. Chances are that you guys won't be that interested, but yeah. So yeah, I think we'll just like round that video up there. The phone just fell out of the old phone holder on the windscreen, so that was pretty handy, hands-free and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna do another video this afternoon. This afternoon, when I get back, I'm going to do a quick video of the beginning of part 1 of the workshop build. So, back corner of my garden, I'm going to build a little workshop. I'm going to knock down my old little shed. I'm going to put in just like a glorified workshop, really. Just a bit better than the shed, a bit more insulated and stuff like that. So, anyway, I'll do that in a bit. So, before the phone falls out of the thing once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and yeah, leave any comments below, and I'll catch you in part 8, which is where I'm going to be concentrating on that engine bay, using that degreaser and getting it looking all sparkly shiny. Thank you all very much again. Bye.